Hey guys, Ninja, got Jason and Darcy here.
Hey.
Starting back into it. We've got our new apparel, man. Darcy.
New merch,
yeah. Drop shipping anywhere in the world. Look through our YouTube shop.
Store. Yeah.
YouTube store.
Different colours. We've got black, grey, white, purple. So range of colours.
Yeah, caps and t-shirts, singlets, bum bags and cups and all that kind of stuff. Bags, which are really cool. So
Have a look, guys. It'll mean a lot if you support us.
Yeah.
So thank you.
You can rep it.
Rock the MMT
Be cool.
merch.
Be cool. Let's rip it off though.
So got a bit of hammy stuff. Ninja's going to fix it up for me. Got a game of footy tomorrow. So just a bit of high hamstring tendon stuff going on. Just a bit tired after footy training. So Ninja's going to get me right. He's back after a bit of a layoff from videos. Let's see if he can still do it.
Yeah. So I'm going to do a really specific treatment on Jace because he's got a game of footy tomorrow, but he's got awareness, tightness in there. So we're going to just really try and target that and don't worry about too much else. So I'm just going to warm it up a little bit for a start.
You also mentioned before you might get a bit of payback for the old blindfold massage.
Yeah, he had
got you pretty good on that one, didn't I?
Yeah, in this exact position here is where
well, that's where I feel it there too.
I was confident.
Straight into it.
So straight in.
Yeah. I'll relax down so I can.
Your warm up was walking in here, mate.
Yeah, that's it.
So yeah, I'm going to try and engage right up high.
Oh, that's right on it.
The hamstring tendon attaches right onto that sit bone there. So I want to try and don't miss a millimetre of that tightness. And this is normally where it originates, where it's most stressed is right on that bone. So when you're running at high speed or climbing stairs, things like that, this part of your hamstring gets stressed and loaded. So yeah, it's really important that we get the right spot.
Brilliant.
So I've always kind of claimed that it's, no point knowing the name of something if you can't be effective and hit that spot. So it's more important to be effective and hit the spot.
Yeah, and even just down slightly.
Yeah, so when I do this little scoop type of action.
Oh, that little flick.
So I've got to hit it first.
Oh.
Right up in here high.
He's good, he hasn't lost his touch. He's back into it.
You like riding a bike, Andy?
Oh.
Yeah, got to get back on.
What have you been up to, Ninja? You've been away for a month. What's going on, brother?
Yeah, I've got another kid.
Another kid. He's got a
Popping him out.
whole tribe he's put together here.
I'm trying to do it while I'm young. So 49 now, so it's a fair
3 girls, Ninja.
fair gap in age between me and the kid. So third girl, third daughter. It was a awesome experience being there at the birth. We
Home birth, wasn't it?
home birth, it was euphoric kind of feeling, just being there. So what made this birth even more special is we did a free birth, which means we didn't have any medical or midwives or anybody there. We just sort of did it ourselves. And
Dr. Ninja.
Yeah.
Or Nurse Ninja. What do you say? What do you reckon?
No, I was just cameraman.
I reckon if you get a little nurse hat on Ninja, that'd be great.
Yeah. So it was amazing. Just like watch nature do what it knows what to do. So it was just a really good experience. And a lot of people don't actually realise that is a choice, that you can choose to do something like that. And but you got to do your research and know what you're doing and things like that. But nature knows just how to get us out here into the world. So it's a really cool experience.
There, Ninja.
It's a pretty quick experience, wasn't it, Ninja?
Yeah, it was sort of like 40 minutes total kind of thing.
40 minutes?
Yeah, so had to act quick, get the birth pool ready. So we just had this little kiddie pool, $80 kiddie pool, just run a garden hose from the laundry, get some hot water in there, and had to be quick and filled it up. And then
your uncle.
Yeah, so 40 minutes from the time she popped into the pool, you realised it was coming, then it was like a 40-second thing when it was just ready and it just came out, and it was pretty amazing. So we're hoping to get that out in the world one day too, the footage that I kind of captured and edit it up. Might get our man Leo to help me.
Get Leo on the editing.
Put a bit of side trans over the top of it.
Imagine just slipping that one into Mikey's editing too.
Yeah,
He's just like Treatment. What the hell's that?
Yeah.
Oh, there it is, Ninja.
That's it there.
That's right on it.
And your little girl's name, Ninja, for the world.
Florence
Flow.
Electra. Flow. Flow is one of our key words, yeah. So I looked up Florence Nightingale. She was the first, had the first nursing school in 1860. So over in England, I think it was. So yeah, famous kind of nursing origins. Yeah, and lots of stuff going on with war as well. Like she was helped out a lot of soldiers and stuff that were wounded in battles and things like that. So
that's really good. Oh, getting back to the treatment.
In there, I'm just sort of, you kind of notice I haven't actually done a stroke I've just changed angles, and I can just feel when I do change an angle, there's more push back into my elbow, so there's more engagement, and so then I'm just knowing that I'm clearing the spots that Jace really needs to be cleared. Like that. So yeah, I might show you another technique because that might be a bit boring. So I'm going to show you the double thumb. So this is something I've been doing for 23 years.
Who taught you this one, Nick?
The Scottish bloke.
The big Scottish bloke.
Yeah, there's a Scottish bloke. He was mad, sprinter, trying to win the stall gift out here in Australia. In Victoria, it was our most famous professional running race. So it's a handicapped event. So the better runners, or the people that won more races, they start at the back, and then the more novice runners or the slower runners, older runners like myself, they start close to the finish line. So it's lots of betting goes on with it, but yeah, it's sort of foxing. And so yeah, but he was Scottish international rugby masseur, and he was self-taught, and he taught me how to do these sort of things. So getting right in like that.
That's horrendous. But good. Really good.
On there like that. Remember, he's got a game tomorrow, so he's going fairly easy on him.
Hopefully I don't.
But this is in deep, and like you have to build your strength in your thumbs over time to be able to do this. I kind of suffered a lot. So the definition of passion is to suffer. So you will suffer for something you're passionate about, and this is something I've been passionate about for a long time.
Brutal.
So I'm pushing out that way a bit now. I can feel there's a spot there. So this is a bit longer than what you gave me, Jace. But yeah, I'm going to fix this for you, man. So you'll be...
You're kicking at 80 metres.
I know, you'll be kicking a few goals.
Jeez, I hope so.
We'll have to have a word to your coach.
Yeah.
Put you up the field a bit.
Put him in the goal square, don't you?
Out of the goal square. Can we see just how deep that's in?
I can feel it.
Yeah, so I'm engaged right there at that level. So what I might do is just give it a bit of a flush. So go along it a bit.
That's better. You're coming up to another little nodule. There.
Like that.
Yeah. That's got it. Yep.
In there. So pushing out into it. Make sure I'm engaging it.
I'm having a little bit of a feel around of where that hamstring attaches while I'm seated here, and you can feel your sit bone. And if you're sitting down, you can sort of roll off that and posteriorly tilt and anteriorly tilt to sort of lengthen that part of your hamstrings. And if you're somebody that's got hamstring pain and you're sitting too much, you're probably suffocating the nerves and suffocating the tendons, you're compressing it and jamming it. So this treatment's probably something that you need as
Listen, well. A bit of movement.
You don't have to be a footballer or a cricketer just to get this hamstring treatment.
That's it.
You fixed, Jace?
Fixed. Done.
Just like that.
I'll kick it back tomorrow.
Yeah, you will.
Keep an eye out. Jace might kick 10. There it is.
Yeah. Remember, guys, if you're interested in our merchandise, head to our YouTube store. Have a look. There's plenty of stuff on there. Thanks for watching.
Thanks, guys.
Done.